Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this cowl hood pattern for 1 to 3 year baby girl. You can also make it in bigger sizes. So first of all, I will show you the measurements. We will start our pattern from the hood like this, and then we will make cowl part. Now the measurements of hood from this side is 7.5 inches and from this side it is 9 inches, and the cowl part is almost 7 inches. You can change measurements according to your desired size. So now I will show. So friends, I am using a 4mm crochet hook and 3-ply cotton yarn. I am using 2 strands. You can also make it with the help of chunky yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, make your base chain according to the desired size for the hood. I am going to make 35 base chain. It should be almost 9 inches if you are going to make for 1 to 3 year baby girl. If you are using chunky yarn, you can make less chains, but it should be 9 inches almost. So after completing your base chain, to begin your first row, wrap the yarn, go into the second chain from the hook and pull the yarn. So we have 3 loops upon our hook. Pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn again, go into the second stitch, second chain, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch 2. Now again repeat the same pattern, go into the third chain and make half double crochet stitch 3. Go into the fourth chain and make half double crochet stitch 4. Go into the fifth chain and make half double crochet stitch 5. Repeat the same pattern till the end. So into this last chain we are going to make 6 half double crochet stitches. So this is half double crochet stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After making 6 half double crochet stitches into this last chain, now we are going to work in the opposite side of the chain. So wrap the yarn, go into this second chain and make half double crochet stitch 1, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 2, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 3. Now repeat the same pattern and complete 33 half double crochet stitches till the end. So our first row is completed. Now for the second row, turn your work and make chain 1, wrap the yarn, go into the first half double crochet stitch and make half double crochet stitch 1, go into the second stitch and make half double crochet stitch 2, go into the third stitch and make half double crochet stitch 3, and repeat this pattern till this part. Now after completing 33 half double crochet stitches, now we are going to work into these 6 half double crochet stitches. We are going to work 1 half double crochet stitch into every stitch. So half double crochet stitch 1, go into the second and make half double crochet stitch 2, go into the third and make half double crochet stitch 3, go into the fourth and make half double crochet stitch 4, go into the fifth and make half double crochet stitch 5, go into the sixth and make half double crochet stitch 6. So now we are going to make 1 half double crochet stitch into every stitch in this entire row. So make 1 half double crochet stitch into every single stitch till the end of the row. After completing second row, for the third row again turn your work, make chain 1, go into the very first stitch and make half double crochet stitch 1, go into the second stitch and make half double crochet stitch 2, go into the third and make half double crochet stitch 3, and repeat this pattern till the very end. We are going to make 1 half double crochet stitch into every stitch as we have done in the second row. Repeat the second row for the third row and then for the next rows till the required size. So repeat the same pattern of 1 half double crochet stitch into every stitch and complete this row, and then repeat these rows again and again till we reach the required size of our hood. After completing the required size, now we are going to change color of yarn for next 2 rows. So I am using white color yarn. So to begin, go into this very first half double crochet stitch here and pull the yarn. After pulling the yarn, make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After making 6 chains, go into the second chain from the hook and pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Go into the second stitch, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and make single crochet 2. Repeat the same pattern and make single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, and after completing 5 single crochet stitches, turn your work and pull the starting yarn. Go into this first half double crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Go into the second half double crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Go into the third half double crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Now repeat this pattern till the second end, and then repeat a row of single crochet. So friends, I have completed my 2 single crochet rows. After completing 2 single crochet rows, now I will show you how to make a buttonhole here. So go into the very first stitch and make 1 single crochet. Go into the second and make single crochet 2. Go into the third and make single crochet 3. Now make chain 1 for the buttonhole. Go into the last single crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch. So this is our buttonhole. You can even make 2 chains according to your button size. Now make chain 1. Go into the very first stitch and make single crochet 1. Go into this chain 1 space and make 1 single crochet. Now go into the next single crochet stitch and make 1 single crochet. Go into the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. Now repeat this pattern till the second end of the row. So friends, I have completed my hood part. After cutting the yarn, weave this yarn to some backside stitches. Now I will show you how to crochet the cowl part. Now first of all, remove this stitch marker. After removing the stitch marker, make chain 1, wrap the yarn, go into this very first half double crochet stitch and pull the yarn and make 1 half double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn again, go into the same half double crochet stitch and make another half double crochet stitch here. This is our increasing half double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the second row, chain 1 space and make a half double crochet stitch. After making a half double crochet stitch, go into the same stitch again and make another half double crochet stitch. Now go into the third half double crochet stitch and make 2 half double crochet stitches here. Now go into the next side and make 2 half double crochet stitches. Now go into the next half double crochet stitch and make 2 half double crochet stitches. Now repeat this same pattern of 2 half double crochet stitches into every row side till the end. After completing your first row, make chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make 5 chains and go into this very first half double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Now for the second row, make chain 1 and go into the very first half double crochet stitch and make a half double crochet stitch, 1. Now go into the second stitch and make half double crochet stitch 2, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 3, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 4, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 5, go into the next and make 1 half double crochet stitch into every stitch till the end, including this chain 5. After completing second row, make a slip stitch into very first half double crochet stitch and repeat this second row again and again. So make chain 1 to start your row, go into the very first half double crochet stitch and make half double crochet stitch 1, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 2, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 3, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 4, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 5, and repeat the same pattern till the end of the row, and then repeat these rows again and again. After completing some rows, we are going to change our yarn color. So take the white color yarn, go into the very first half double crochet stitch and pull the white yarn. Now pull this ending yarn tail, make chain 1 to start our row, wrap the yarn, go into the very first half double crochet stitch and make half double crochet stitch 1, go into the second stitch and make half double crochet stitch 2, take the starting white color yarn between your stitches, go into the third one and make half double crochet stitch 3, go into the fourth one and make half double crochet stitch 4, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 5, and repeat this row as many times as you want, and then again change the color of the yarn to the first color. So friends, I have completed the desired length for my cowl, and I have weaved the extra yarn ends to some backside stitches, and also I have added a button. So it's a very simple and easy cowl hood pattern. I hope you guys like this pattern. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.